PPT. Now I am going to share you one PPT. With the help of PPT, you will clear the concept. Okay, students? Just a second. Everyone ready with your study material? When I am asking the questions, at that time, give the answer. When I am explaining something, at that time, you want to concentrate over there. Don't go to the chat box every time. Okay, students? Heard everyone? Okay, now wait a second. I'm going to show you the PPT of subtraction. Okay? Yes. Now, 1 second, PPT is uploading in front of you. Okay. Yes. What is the subtraction? It is the heading what subtractions without borrowing. Means it's a simple subtraction sums. No need to take the carry over here. Okay. So now I'm going to explaining you the subtractions. Okay. What is the subtractions? And after that, subtractions without borrowing. Now see. Yes. Now my screen is visible to everyone. Now my screen is visible to everyone. Then type Y public chat. Yes, students. Okay. 5 apples given to you. Okay. This total 5 apples given to you. After that, this 2. Now I'm going to highlight the colors. Okay. This, it is cross given, and this, it is also the cross given from 3. 2 are cross. That means 2 are minus from 5. 2 are cross minus from 5. So total how many apples are remaining over there? Total how many apples are remaining over there? Yeah. 1, 2 and 3. Total how many apples are there? 3 apples are there. Till here everyone understood? Now it's a simple sums of subtraction. Now see the, now I'm going to the sign of subtraction. What is the sign of subtraction? Yes, it's a slipping line. Okay, now first one sum. 5 balls are given to you. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. That means you want to cut the 3 circles from 5. 5 minus 3, that means you want to cut the 3 circles from 5. So total how many circles are there? Remaining circles? Yes, total how many remaining circles are there? Give me answer in a chat box. Yes, correct answer. Total 2 are remaining over here. How many total remaining? 2 are there. Okay. Now, go to the green color balls. Go to the green color balls. Okay. Total how many are there? 6 are there. From 6, you want to minus 1. So, total 6 are there. That means only minus 1 you want to do. So, cut it through the one circle. Cross, do to the one circle. How many are remaining over there? Yes. Give me response in a chat box. Total 5 circles are remaining. Total how many circles are remaining? 5 circles are remaining. Now yourself you want to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is cross. This one is a minus from 6. Okay. Clear till here everyone clear how to minus? Suppose you're not possible to minus directly, then yourself you want to draw the some symbols like circles, after that the lines, after that the fish, balls, like these objects you want to draw and minus from that. Okay. Now go to the lemon color circle. Go to the lemon color circle. So total how many circles are there? 7. You want to minus 7 minus 6. From 7 you want to minus 6. From 7 you want to minus 6. So how you will be add? Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How much remaining? It's a single 1 is remaining. Okay? Single 1 is remaining. Now go to the yellow color. This yellow color I am going to put it. Now blue color highlights. See, it's a blue color. Okay? How many total balls are there? 4 are there. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Okay. Now, the next one, the last one is remaining. Total how many circles are there? Yes. Total how many circles are given to you? This is 9 circles, right? 9 balls are there. You want to minus 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5 means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So total how much are remaining? Total how much are remaining? These remainings are the 4. Total, what is the correct answer? 9 minus 4. What is the correct answer? 9 minus 4. Okay, students, till here everyone understood how to subtract and how to minus? Yes? Give me response in the chat box. Till here everyone clear? How to minus and how to subtract? Okay. Now next slide I am going to show you. See. Now my screen is visible to everyone. Now I am going to make it to zoom. Okay. My screen is visible to everyone. Okay, good. Now, students. Okay. Already sum is given to you, right? Already sum is given to you. Cross sign also given to you. Ready minutes given to you. You want to minus and direct write the answer. Where the question mark given to you, there you want to write the answer. Okay, students. Ready, everyone? Okay, good. Now, first is already given to you. 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1. First is already given to you. Is equal to 1. It is already solved. See, it is already solving. Now, go to the next. 4 minus 2. Go to the next. 4 minus 2. Yes. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. Very good. Very nice. This remaining 2 is the correct answer. Next. 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3. Yes. Answer is 2. 5 minus 3. Answer is 2. 6 minus 5. 5 already cut it. And 1 is remaining. So what is the correct answer? Answer is 1. 3 minus 1. Yes, 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. This 2 is remaining. Now next 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1. Okay. This is the simple sums of subtraction. Okay. Now we will solve on whiteboard the 2-digit subtraction sums. Okay. Which I already shown you with the help of PPT. These all are the simple sums. Now I am going to explaining you on whiteboard the 2-digit multiplication. How to do the 2-digit multiplication. What is our concept? Subtraction without borrowing. Okay. Now I am going to write. Wait a second, students. Okay. Ready, everyone? Ready, everyone? Okay. Now I am going to write the numbers on a whiteboard. 567. Which sign will come here? Tell me. We are going to learn a subtraction chapter. So which sign will come? Addition or subtraction? Addition or subtraction? Good. It's a subtraction sign. Minus sign. Okay. Now next. Next digit I am going to write here. 3, 4, 34. 3, 4, 34. Okay. Now every operation, the operation of addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, every time I told you from which turn you want to take, first of all, right or left. In last lecture I was explaining you, first of all, which side you want to go. Yes, it's a right side. Okay, very good. Now tell me 7 minus 4. Yes, now I'm going to draw your lines. 5, 6, 7. See, okay. Now you want to cut it 7 minus. No, don't give the direct answer, students. Don't give the direct answer. 7, we are going to the step by step. This 4 you want to cut it. Total 4. You want to cut it. 7 minus 4. Total how much remaining? Yes, answer is 3. Very good. Now next, 6 minus 3. Yes, 6 minus 3. Again, you want to draw 6 objects. You want to cut 3 objects, and after that remaining objects you want to write over here. So 6 minus 3. Your answer is 3. Your answer is 3. And 5 minus here. No one digit is there. No one number is there. That means you want to assume there 0. What you want to assume? 0. So 0 having any importance? No. So 5 minus 0, what will come? Yes, 5 minus 0, what will come? 5. Okay. If suppose here any number is there, so you want to minus from 5. But no any number is there, no any digit is there. So you want to write 5 as it is downside. You want to write 5 as it is downside. Okay, everyone clear this sum? Yes? Everyone understood? Okay, good. Everyone, anyone have doubt about subtraction? How to subtract? Anyone have doubt? Okay, today, now first sum is over. We are going to take out the second sum. Okay, wait a second, student. Now I am going to write the second sum. Okay. See, student. Three digit minus 2 digit, first sum we saw. Now 3 digit minus 3 digit. So how to write the 3 digit number? Okay. 555 minus 432. Okay. One by one we want to write the answer. 5 minus 2. Yes. 5 minus 2. Give me answer. 5 minus 2. It's a correct answer. Exactly correct. It's a 3. 5 minus 2. It's a 3. Good. Again, 5 minus 3. Yes, 5 minus 3. Good. It's a 2. 5 minus 3. It's a 2. 5 minus 4. Yes, give me answer. 5 minus 4. The answer is 1. So total full answer is 123. 123. Okay. Yes. Good. Good. Total answer is what? Full answer is 123. Now which concept we learn here? Subtraction without borrowing. Because we are not taking here any carry number. We are taking into sum. No. That means it is what? Subtraction without borrowing. Right? Till here, everyone understood the concept how to subtract without borrowing. Till here, everyone understood how to subtract without borrowing. Okay, good. Now we will see the sum of with borrowing. Now everyone ready for with borrowing concept? Yes, everyone is ready? How to carry? Yes. Okay. Everyone is ready for the next concept? Give me response in a chat box. After that we will proceed. Now with borrowing, subtraction with borrowing. Okay. Now I'm going to write the numbers. Okay, student? Yes. Now see. I'm going to write here. 573 minus 573 minus 25. Okay. Now everyone is ready? Yes. Now we are going to learn the with borrowing concept. With borrowing concept. Okay, student? Ready, everyone? Okay. Now go to the right side. This is the right side. Okay. 3 minus 5. Answer will come because 3 is a small number, 5 is bigger number. 3 minus 5. How we will minus from 3? 3 minus 5, how we will minus? Because 3 is the small number. No, 2 is the wrong answer. No, 2 is the wrong answer. We are going, wait a second, student. Wait a second. Yes. Okay. 576 minus 25. 576 minus 25. Now look at properly here. Everyone concentrate on whiteboard. 6 minus 5. Yes. 6 minus 5. Your answer is 1. 6 minus 5. Your answer is 1. 7 minus 2. Yes. 7 minus 2. Yes. Good. 7 minus 2. Your answer is very nice. Your answer is 5. Answer is 5. And 5 is equal to 5 minus dash. That means you want to assume there 0. 5 minus dash is equal to 5 will come. Okay. 5 minus dash. Answer what will come? 500. So what is the full answer? 551. 551. This is your full answer. 551. Okay, student. Now I am going to write this sum for you. Okay. Now I am not given any answer. I am not writing any answer on a whiteboard. You want to give the answer. 900. Yes, give me answer. 900. Wait a second, student. 988 minus 434. Yes. Everyone try yourself in your notebook and give me answer. 988 minus 434. 988 minus 434. Everyone try yourself and give me answer. Yes. Yes, all students are trying yourself or other or copy from chat box. Say truly, everyone is trying yourself. Okay. Okay. I want answer from everyone. Yes, I want answer from everyone. 8 minus 4, very good. Answer is 4. 8 minus 4, answer is 4. 8 minus 3. Yes, 8 minus 3, your answer is 5. 5. Okay. 8 minus 3, your answer is 5. Next, 9 minus 4. 9 minus 4, yes. 554. What is the correct answer? 554. What is the correct answer? Yes. 554 is your correct answer. 554 is your correct answer. Okay, good. Yes, good. Okay, students, give me response. 3 digit minus 3 digit. Everyone understood? 3 digit minus 3 digit. Everyone understood? Yes. 3 digit minus 3 digit. Everyone understood how to subtract from 3 digit into 3 digit? How to subtract? Everyone understood? Yes or no? Switch off the web camera, Arohi. Some students are on their web camera. Stop your video. Okay. Everyone understood the two sums which I was explaining on whiteboard? 3 digit sum everyone understood. First of all, we are going to take the simple digit. Means it's a 1 digit minus 1 digit. Now 2 digit minus 2 digit. Okay. Yes, after that we are taking the 3 digit sum also. 3 digit minus. Yes, 3 digit minus 3 digit. Now we are going to take out the 4 digit sum. Yes. Okay, now everyone is ready for the next sum. Everyone is ready? Yes or no? We are going to take a 4 digit sum now. Yes. Okay, good. Yes. Now my whiteboard is visible to everyone. Okay. See, I'm going to write one sum over here. It's a subtraction by borrowing. Now, first of all, I'm going to explaining you. Listen, watch it properly. Don't go to the chat box. Don't go to the chat box. Everyone stop to type in a chat box. Now I'm going to write here one column. First of all, we will see the 3 digit number. 3 digit number. So in 3 digit number, which is the first column? It's a ones column, tens column, 100 column. Okay. Now I'm going to write here sum. 654 minus 654 minus, yes, minus 25. Minus 25. Okay. Ready everyone? How I'm going to subtract now? Look at properly. See, 4 is the small number, 5 is the bigger number. 4 is the small number, 5 is the bigger number, right? Okay. Now 4 minus 5, it is not possible. So 4 you want to write as it is here. Okay. You want to take 1 from tens column. 1 you want to take from tens column, right? Because 4 is a small, 5 is a big. So 4 minus 5, it is not possible. So you want to take 1 from tens column. So from 5, 1 is going in a ones column. So how much remaining over here? 4 is remaining. How much remaining? Good. How much remaining? 4. Don't give the full answer. Okay. You are giving full answer. That means you are taking the help of parent. Yes or no? Don't give the full answer because I am going to explaining you the one by one. So don't give the answer. First of all, I am going to explaining you. So don't type any message in chat box. I don't want any answer in a chat box. Stop your typing. Four minus 2. Now go to the ones column. 4 minus 5, it is not possible. So 14 minus 5. 14 minus 5, your answer is 9. 4 minus 2, your answer is 2. And 6, you want to take as it is downside because 6 minus dash. 6 minus dash is there. That means you want to assume 0 is there. 0 having no any value. So 6 minus dash is equal to 6 as it is will come. Your answer is 629. Your answer is 629. Okay. Now everyone understood about that type of sum, subtraction by borrowing. Everyone heard about total sums. How suppose small number is there. So from small number, bigger numbers. From small to big, how we will be minus? From small to big, how we will be minus? Everyone clear? Now I am going to clear my drawing here. Okay, ready everyone? Now I am going to give one sum on a whiteboard again. Now I am not going to draw all columns. Okay, you want to assume these columns now. See, not understood. Okay, Swaranjali. Now I am going to first of all, now I am going to stop the chat box. Everyone look at properly. Everyone look at properly. Now I am explaining. Look at properly. Again, I am going to give you one 3-digit number. It's a 100 column, tens column, ones column. Okay. Yes. Now I am going to write here 972 minus 84. 84. Okay. Okay. Now 2 minus 4. 2 is a small number. Go to the right side. Go to the right side. 2 is a small number. So 2 minus 4, it is not possible. That's why 2 you want to write direct as it is of the ones column. 7 minus 1. 7 you want to carry over here. 7 you want to carry over here. Okay. Wait a second. Okay. 7 you want to, from 7 you want to give the 1 in ones column. So remaining how much? It's a 6. 7 minus 1 because from ones column 2 is there. So 2 minus 4 it is not possible. That's why you given 1 over here. From the tens column 1 you are given in a ones column. So how much remaining in a tens column? 7 minus 1. It's a 6. Okay. Now you want to minus 12 from 4. 12 minus 4. 12 minus 4. Yes. 12 minus 4. What is the correct answer? You want to count yourself. 12 minus 4. Your answer is 8. Your answer is 8. 12 minus 4. Your answer is 8. Now next. 6 minus 5. 7 don't take because 7 minus 1. Why 1? Because 1 is you are giving in a ones column. So 6 minus 5. Your answer is 1. After that 9. As it is 9 will come. Okay. As it is 9 will come. That means what is your correct answer? 918. 918. What is your correct answer? 918. 80. Okay, student. Now I am going to ask you, wait a second. Yes. Give me response in a chat box. This sum everyone understood, which I shown you on a whiteboard. Which I shown you on whiteboard. 972 minus 54. Swaranjali. Beta understood? Swaranjali. Yes.